Hi all. Today I'm going to show you how to send students' report sheets to parents' mail in just one click from your computer. For this, first you need to open the Gmail account. From there you can go to your Drive. Now open a Google Sheet by clicking on the New button over there. Now a new Google Sheet has been opened. I am naming it as Report Cards. Now go to Add-ons and Get Add-ons. Here type My Mail Campaign. Now install My Mail Campaign by doing the following procedures. Our add-on is ready to use now. For the first time, it will be opened automatically like this. From the next time onwards, you need to go to add-ons and My Mail Campaign. There you need to start the campaign. Now go to the first option and click Add Sample Tiles. You will get a sample tiles like this. Here, in the To column, you need to type the parents' mail IDs to which the mail has to be sent. And in the subject column, you can type the subject of the mail. Body column, I'll let you know later. In the From Name column, you have to type the sender ID, that is, from where the mail has been sent. Here, I'm typing the school name. Before going to the next column, I'll show you a sample report card in my draft. Here, in your draft, you need to store a sample report sheet. Like this. This is my sample report sheet here. Basically, in a report sheet, students' name as well as their marks will be changed. So, whatever values need to be edited, I have put those values inside the exclamatory mark. Now, I'm going to copy this exclamatory marked values and put it in my Google Sheet. Now, I'm going to paste those values in this user column. Likewise, I'm going to copy the rest of the exclamatory marked values here and paste it in my Google Sheet. You can even insert more columns or delete columns as per your requirements. Here, I'm going to insert more columns for my grades. Right-click on the column and you can insert the columns. Now, I'm copying the signs value. I'm going to paste there. Likewise, I copied all the values. All these procedures are only for the first time setup. From next time onwards, you can reuse the sheets. Now, when all the editable values are pasted there, I am checking the subjects. Here, subjects will be same for all the parents. So, I am going to copy and paste the same values in all the columns. The same way, the school name will also be similar. So, I am pasting the same values to all the parents. Names of the students will be changed. So, I am going to type the student's name with respect to their parents' mail ID in respective rows. Now, I am going to enter the marks of each student. Now, I have entered all the marks of the students. I am going to put their grades now. After entering all the values, I am going to go to my drafts because in my body column, I need to paste the draft section which has to be sent to their parents' mail ID. This is my draft mail. Here, right-click on the draft and go to Inspect. Now, click on the leftmost icon which I am showing here and drag it to the subject line. Just below the subject line, you will see a green color line if you go there. See, now everything is selected. Just click over there and come to the below thing. Here if you see, after clicking, this will be selected. Now right click on that and do edit as HTML. Press Ctrl+A and Ctrl+C for copying the data there. Then come to the body section and paste the value here. Press Ctrl+V for pasting. If you see, the data has been pasted here. Now the body section will also be same to all the parents. So I'm going to paste the same values in all the rows. Now you can save this sheet by clicking on the save button there. Once the sheet has been saved, go to the next section, send mails. Here you can send a test mail to your mail ID and check whether everything is proper. See, this is my test mail. If you see, the student name has been changed and their values of the marks are also changed. Now you can send these mails to the parent's mail ID with just one click. You can see a start row section here. Here it is entered 2. That means it is going to start from the second row. Now each row it will be processing like this. Finally, it processes all the rows and all the mails will be sent. As I told you, all these things are going to be the first time work. From next time onwards, you just have to change the students' marks and grades. And you can send the mails in just one click. Thank you.